right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Now, yesterday we actually finished up the module that we're working in. We're starting a new module today. This one is going to be Titanoboa favorites project interacting with the Viper contract. So let's dive in with some light reading, and then we're going to start going over what we're going to discuss in this section here. So in this section, we will go over the process of interacting with a Viper contract. First thing we will look at is the store function inside of our favorites.by contract file. The function allows us to update our favorite number variable in our favorites.by contract file. The store function takes a single argument, which is the new favorite number we want to store. The function then ups the my favorite number variable with the new value. The argument that we pass to the store function is the new number, which is of type uint256. This is how it looks inside of the favorites.by contract file. We would say define store function, pass it a parameter of new number, which is going to be of type uint256. In our favorites.by contract file, we will also have a retrieve function, which will be used to view the current value of our favorite number variable. The retrieve function does not take any arguments and simply returns the current value of my favorite number. We use this function to view the current value of our favorite number after we updated it using the store function. We were able to view the my favorite number variable by calling retrieve function when we deployed our contract to the blockchain using the Remix IDE. If you recall how we used to do that, we would then want to use the retrieve function, and I would deploy favorites py file to actually retrieve the number now. So this is how it will look when we integrate it into our deploy favorites py file. We move down a little bit so I can give you a look at that. So you can see here it would say starting favorite number equals favorites contract dot retrieve. Now all this is doing is going to retrieve our favorite number, our starting favorite number, which is going to be the number that we already have stored. We're going to retrieve that number so we can view it instead of our favorites contract. And then we're actually going to use a store function to store a new value using the variable new number. We're actually going to go over that tomorrow when we go inside of our contract so I can show you what it actually looks like. So stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.